Hi, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. Did you recall what we have learned in previous class? Yes, we have learned how to compare the rational numbers and arrange them in ascending and in descending order.
I hope so you have a recall to what we have learned in previous class. Okay, in today's class, we're going to see how to find out the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Okay, so first we can see one type of problem. So find the rational number between minus 1 divided by 3 and 1 divided by 2. So first we're going to find out the what? As we done in the comparison of rational numbers, what we will do? We will find out the LCM between the two rational number, the denominator of that two rational numbers. Likewise, here also, first we're going to find out the LCM for these two rational numbers and then find out the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay, solution. So, what will be the LCM of 3 and 2? Yes, LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So first we're going to multiply minus 1 divided by 3 into what? So we will get number 6. We should multiply, yes, we should multiply number 2 in both the numerator and denominator of minus 1 divided by 3 rational number to get 6 in the denominator. Okay, likewise when we will do in the to find the LCM and to follow these steps we go to follow this one. So minus 1 divided by 3 into 2 in divided by 2 we will get minus 2 divided by 6. So minus 1 into 2 is 3. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. So next what rational number? 1 divided by 2. Okay. 2 what number is to be multiplied with 2 to get number 6? Recall the 2 table and tell. Yes. We should multiply number 3 with 2 to get number 6. So we will multiply 1 divided by 2 into 3 divided by 3. So we will get 3 divided by 6. So 1 into 3 is 1 into 3, that is 3. Then 2 into 3 is 2 threes are 6. Yes. So now you can observe that both the denominator, that is we got 6 in both the denominator. So it will be easy to compare numerator, that is minus 2 and 3. So now just recall the number line. So now you recall the number line, you will get a minus 2 in the left side of the 0 and 3 in the right side of the 0. So what will be the numbers between these two integers, minus 2 and 3? So there will be minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, at last 3. So in between we have 4 rational numbers. Okay, so that is minus 1 divided by 6, 0 divided by 6 is still 1 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6, and at last 3 divided by 6. So in this two rational number we got 4 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So okay, so we have found out minus 1 divided by 6, 0 divided by 6, 1 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6. So totally 4 rational numbers between minus 1 divided by 3, minus 1 divided by 3, and 1 divided by 4. Okay, so this is one type of question. We move on to second type. Okay, these two rational number, we're going to find out rational number 2 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 7. So when we observe these two rational number, we find this both two rational number are very close to each other, right? 2 divided by 7, 3 divided by 7, they are very close to each other. So it will be little difficult to find out the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So now we going to, for this, when you find some rational number very close to each other, the first step you're going to follow is multiply 10 in both the numerator and in the denominator. Okay, now when we multiply 10 in 2 divided by 7 in both the numerator and denominator, and in 3 divided by 7 also. So 2 divided by 7 into 10, what? 20 divided by 70. That we going to multiply 10 in both the numerator and the denominator. So we got 20 divided by 70, and when we multiply 3 divided by 7, 30 divided by 70. Okay, so now we're going to, now it will be easy to find out the rational numbers between 20 divided by 70 and 30 divided by 70. Now when you observe, both the denominator are same, 70 and 70. So now we're going to see the numerator, that is 20 and 30. So you obviously know the integers, what and all lie between these two integers, 20, 30, that is 21, 22, 23 goes on to 29. So we will find totally 9 rational numbers between 20 divided by 70 and 30 divided by 70. That is 21 divided by 70, 22 divided by 70, 23 divided by 70, and it goes on to 29 divided by 70. So totally we have found out a total 9 rational numbers that lie between 20 divided by 70 and 30 divided by 70. That is nothing but we got 9 rational numbers between 2 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 7. Okay. So the miss find rational numbers between 0 and 2. 0 and 1. So now you're going to recall the number line. Okay, 0 and 1. So as I've already told, in the right side of 0 we will have a positive integer, and the left side of the 0 we will have negative integers. So now we're going to find out the rational numbers that lie between 0 and 1. So what will be the decimal points between 0 and 1? That is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and goes on to 0.9. So we have 9 decimal point. We have learned how to convert the decimal number into rational number. So 0.1 means 1 divided by 10, 0.2, 2 divided by 10, 0.3, 3 divided by 10, because we have only one decimal number after the decimal point. So we're going to divide by 10. 4 divided by 10. Then 0.5, 5 divided by 10. 0.6, 6 divided by 10. 0.7, 7 divided by 10. 8 divided by 10. 9 divided by 10. So totally we got 9 rational numbers that lie between 0 and 1. Okay, so 9 rational number that lie between 0 and 1. So we got only 9 decimal point, then we convert those decimal point into a rational number. So totally we got 9 rational numbers from 1 divided by 10 to 9 divided by 10 that lie between 0 and 1. I hope so you have got a clear idea on how to find out the rational numbers between any two given rational number. Okay, there is a supplementary video after this, so please do watch and have gain knowledge about rational numbers. Thank you.